My name is Stephen Wieringa, the founder of SWYFT Solutions, and I'm thrilled to share with you the story of our company, our mission, and how we are revolutionizing the way that businesses utilize software solutions. Before I founded SWYFT Solutions, I spent years in manufacturing as a mechanical engineer. Each day, moving from behind the desk to walking the floor, from making pretty pictures in CAD to learning ways to leverage my knowledge of the software to make products even better. Following this experience, I spent a decade as the owner and lead engineer of a growing contract engineering firm. During that time, I built a business that thrived on the front lines, leveraging SOLIDWORKS to design solutions in industries ranging from automotive to medical. It was this experience as a business owner and lead engineer that clarified to me the pivotal impact that the right tools, training, and support can make on a project, product, and business. This experience is why I founded SWYFT Solutions, to empower businesses to maximize success with their software investment. Look, whether a business owner or a designer, this should not be hard for you. We don't think that software should be sold as a service, but software should come with a service. A partner, someone that can articulate in a clear way how exactly to leverage the software to achieve success on your business goals. From the first day we launched SWYFT, our focus has been on the 3D Experience Works portfolio by Dassault Systèmes. But it is not just about providing access to world-class tools like SOLIDWORKS, but ensuring efficiency with those tools. To implement an effective system that continuously improves, we focus on 3 pillars: people, process, and partnerships. At SWYFT Solutions, we have simplified those pillars into 3 main areas: SWYFT Academy, SWYFT Integrations, and SWYFT Tools. We are not out to be just another reseller. We are focused on being different. Our team is here at every step of your journey and is dedicated to being on the front edge of industry knowledge and on the lookout for updates and future changes that could impact your business. Our core values are exceeding expectations, being actively engaged, and being intentional in everything that we do. These values aren't just something that we say behind closed doors, in team huddles, but it is felt internally and externally every time you interact with someone on our team. With these values at the center of everything that we do, we are able to achieve our mission and turn confusion into clarity. Since launch, SWYFT has experienced rapid expansion across the United States, with a stream of positive testimonials from clients. Our partnership-first approach is clear in every review left. It is not just about your business growth today, it is about a partner that is in your corner and continually working for your long-term success. Looking ahead, we are excited to deepen our processes and expand our offerings. We are committed to client success-focused growth, helping each company we partner with leverage their software to its fullest, without confusion or frustration. If you are in the business of designing or manufacturing a product, reach out to SWYFT Solutions. We are here to start with your future today.